Do you like skiing powder?
Yeah!
And did you know that Austria has some incredible late season powder?
How?
Well, let me show you. I think this could be the best day of the season. I'll let you in on a little bit of a secret. This is off the Kapalm's 8-man chairlift in Zelmzilla. It does involve a short little traverse. There's two ways you can enter. One is you go around and you go underneath the chairlift, or one is you do what I just did, which is come back round.
Holy shit! Whoa! Woo!
Everything going back down into Zelmzilla was pretty tracked out, so my plan is to head into this beautiful bowl here. Someone asked in a comment recently if all of this was skiable. Yes it is. And I intend to ski as much of it as possible while I'm here. There's lots beyond it which is accessible only by touring, but right now this is just a case of traversing off this chairlift and bringing me right back down at the bottom of the bowl.
Oh boy!
That run was so good that I've decided to do it again one more time for the final run of the day. It has been an absolute blast. To get these conditions as well right at the back end has really put a nice shine on the season. But each day has got to come to an end, so let's make this final run one to remember. If you liked exploring what I think is some of the best ski spots in Austria by far, then you will love watching the video of some of the best ski spots from Revelstoke this season. You can watch that video right here. That is now the end of this ski season, so ciao for now.